All right, guys, I'm just gonna go for it. Welcome back. Still working on these units, but the good news is it should be done here in the next day or two. So I just finished that one right there with the DAT right there. This box right here with the DAT on the back side. Right there. Probably should have hit that coil of wire. And then going down the hallway over here. So I went ahead and finished this one with the DAT right there. And then this DAT right there. I had to cut the insulation on that one a little bit. In that box, they just insulated this, luckily. I beat the insulation on this one. That one right there, and then the fifth one that I started this morning, which is right here, going over to this DAT right there. So good news is, should be done tomorrow or early Wednesday, and then I'll be doing something different. So I don't know what I will be doing yet. I think helping with some low voltage panels or something like that. So hopefully I can give you guys videos about that stuff now that I will finally be done with these VAVs for the HVAC. So anyways, exciting times. Have some big news coming up within tomorrow, within a few days, and then within a few weeks maybe. So a couple of big things coming up, so stay tuned. A few of you already know about it, so don't give away the secret yet, boys. All right, guys, that should do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Peace out.